Hi, good evening. Welcome to Fintopia. Let's look at the market today. We start with IV. So IV has further come down today significantly. So it was down almost 4%. We are at 1267, which is quite comfortable one for a sustained movements, right? So we are approaching the support from where it usually bounces back, which is around 10ish level, 10 and a half to 9 zone. Right? This is a place from where IV bounces back. So that's that. US IV is little bit high. High as in it is in the range of I think I've always seen it around 15 to 17. So that's how it is. Good news is that INR has come down as we had discussed in previous video. INR is at 94.32. That's good. That's good. But it is approaching a support from which a little bit upper movement we can see it has already retraced a little bit. This is a daily chart. Okay, as you can see it has come down and now it is trying to take a support. Right. Yeah. But I expect it to go further down because oil is coming down, so the impact on oil on INR should ease up a little bit. Nifty on a daily it has made a good candle, right? Came little bit down and then it went up today. Although in between the candles there were a lot of it was wobbly, I would say. Right? As you can see, yeah, today it started here, came down, goes up, came down, and then a typical expiry move. Today Sensex expiry was there. So in the last 15 minutes, it went from 2472 to 183. That's quite a movement, right? It's a big movement for Nifty in a very short span of time. If we look at, yeah, similar one. Interestingly, look at the way Nifty is moving, right? It's quite wobbly. It's making a lot of red and green candles. If you can see, red candles are more than green, but greens are decisive ones. So let's see. Gift Nifty is showing down significantly. As you can see, our future closed at 192, but Gift Nifty is showing 24.28, which is quite a down moment, right? So we are 170 point down now. Right? We started from here today, and we are going down in the second half. This is mainly because of Accenture guidance. All our IT stocks are bleeding. If you will look at the ADRs, they are down 10 to 12%, all of them. And on a 5 minute, 15-minute chart, you can see a head and shoulder pattern. So if it breaks and comes down, then there is, I think, 23,900 level, that kind of levels we can see in Nifty. Yeah, IT is going to bleed tomorrow for sure. So that's how it is. From here, it may take a support and again try to recover, but that's what it is. Bank Nifty, if you look at, It is a little bit cleaner movement compared to the Nifty, but again it is quite wobbly. Making money is literally hard in this particular environment if you are a typical option buyer. So you'll have to come up with a strategy in order to earn some money, right? Sensex, similar movement like Nifty. As you can see, there was a last half an hour movement, I would say, right? Half an hour movement in the Sensex, right? And people have made a good position at the close here, right? With very good volumes, but it is around a resistance. It should have broken if this particular thing hasn't happened. Oil is further cooling down, right? On a daily chart, if you see, yeah, oil came back from 900, almost 900, 950 zone. In positive, it will further go down. We have spoken that it was breaking the resistance support zone. Let's see, on a daily basis, 5 600 is the level where it will get some support. It can happen in between also due to event driven scenarios, but that's how it is. BTC have broken up, right? It's going down. This is a dual impact. The main reason is yesterday's Kevin Walls. This thing, what do you say? Uh, a little hawkish view on interest rate cuts in US. So there won't be a cut. There is a possibility of one hike, and then they will see and decide what to do next. So BTC is coming down for sure. And if it breaks the support, which is a stronger one, it can go further down and break this one as well. Let's see. Let's see. Right. S&P is running, but if you remember, we had taken a view here that this is a shorting zone for S&P, and we wouldn't have been wrong. From there, we have came down significantly from 596 to 4 to around, yeah, 419. And in my opinion, it can further go down from here. A possibility definitely exists. Dixie is at 100K. So our famous yellow line has been breached. But there is a resistance at 101. Okay. Hmm. Can go up, guys. Can go up. Then there will be again pressure on INR. Okay. Gold is on a losing territory, right? It could be a big dump. It is near its support. That day we were discussing if it makes a red candle here, it can go down. It made a red candle just after that. It has taken a resistance. And it is coming down. It can come down till here, and then if it breaks, we can see 300, which is quite a significant correction. Yeah, Dow Jones is taking a resistance. Natural gas, yeah, it's kind of consolidating in this particular zone. We'll have to see what happens, because if it breaks this, it will be a breakout. It will be a breakout of inverse head and shoulder, and we can see a significant movements there. Mhm. Okay, so this is what the price action, today's price action is. Let's look at how our strategies are performed. Right, let me filter it properly so it is easy to see them. Okay, yeah, so our directional one is has made some progress. It is at 127. Let's get the live ones first. Yeah, BNF earner. Acha, this is from Zerodha, right? We will check our account. Zerodha, as I had said in the first video, that there was an error and there is still an error. Some static IP issue with them, right? Yeah, Nifty earner have recovered significantly. As you guys remember, there was a 60,000 loss in the previous video which I have posted, which got entirely recovered by now. But after looking at today's price action, let's see how it opens tomorrow. BNF earner has inched up. It is at 120. Sensex sniper lost another $1,000, 1,200 bucks today, right? Because of that wobbly market. Same here for the credit spread as well, but loss is in control. If you look at how much total we have lost in three, this thing is 797. Sensex directional have made some progress, right? As you can see, the SBI is in long, and now even Tata Motor is long today. Yeah, so let's see. I think tomorrow we will have a impact, but I think banks and motors will act differently. Tomorrow's fall in Nifty will be mostly IT led, right? And a significant one add to that. But banks can come to support and other sectors can come to support the Nifty. Let's see how it does. Let's look at the strategies which we are testing. How are they performing? Now my friend's strategy is working good, but I think overall, yeah, it will take some time to recover. Natural gas isn't working good. It is a simple future based strategy. I think I'll have to figure it out a better way of doing it. This one is in profit, but its profit is reducing. The Sensex sniper, right? It will need a trending day. If there is a trend, it will. So these strategies are designed to lose less on a losing streak, and earn more in a winning streak. So as you can see, the profits which it has made and losses which it has made in the counters, right? The largest one was 13,000 here for 5 lots of Sensex, right? And second largest loss was 7,000, 6,000, 5,000. But winners are 17,000, 27,000, 12,000. So yeah, that's how it is. Directional list based, since it was deployed earlier than the live one, it has made a good profit around 132. Look at the let's look at the statistics. Yeah. So initially there was a dip and then it picked it up. From there, I think it is performing well. Let's see. It is trading for 7 days now. Win rate is good, right? But it's too soon to declare anything. Wednesdays have been the losing streak for this losers. But let's see. I mean, we are just 7 days in this particular strategy, right? Yeah, I think this is where we are in Bank Nifty directional ones, right? This strategy. I have a high hope here. Let's see. It hasn't seen a trending regime for the Bank Nifty. We will have to see that. We will test it for 3 months and then we'll figure out. I'm very conservative on the naked strategies, this kind of pure buying strategies. But I have high hope here. Let's see. Sumba same, I think we have seen the live one, so there is no need of this. Sensex directional definitely made some profit today, right? Ours didn't get trigger. It will take. These are all positional strategies. They trigger on a certain what do you say conditions, and once they do, they always remain in the trade. As I had mentioned earlier, that my couple of strategies are on marketplace. You can have a look at them and track them, right? So these are the two strategies I have put on a marketplace: Nifty earner and Bank Nifty earner, because they are a little bit secure and they don't lose their profits. So they make profits, and in the losing streak they lose less, quite significantly less compared to other strategies. If you will see, compared to this one, it makes less profit. If you look at the required capital for this is 4 lakh. For 4 lots, required capital is 12 lakhs here. I'm conservative with the capital because we need to be in a trade in order to survive the market and make profits. But if you can see, within this particular 4 lakh, we have made 127 lakhs, and with this particular 12 lakh, we have made 7,000 in so far in Nifty. But in a longer run, I have tested them. They keep their profit, right? And any which ways we are tracking them, so you guys will be the witness of what happens with these strategies. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching Fintopia. Have a great have a great night. Right? Bye. Thank you.